Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about types of polymer, various types of polymer with example. So first, here you see natural polymer. What is natural polymer? Natural polymer is natural. So example is protein, cellulose. This polymer is belongs to nature, belongs from nature, belongs to nature. Nature is fully biodegradable and fully organic. Next, synthetic polymer. Synthetic polymer is man-made polymer, which a polymer is made artificially in laboratory or in factory. So that's example is polyethylene, polypropylene, polyacetate, polyvinyl chloride, polymethyl methacrylate, and too much other various synthetic polymers are there. Next, organic polymer. So what is organic polymer? Organic polymer contains all organic molecules. Organic polymer contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen atom. So organic polymer not contained in inorganic atom. Organic polymer is fully organic. Organic means carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Those polymer contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Those polymers are made from carbon, hydrogen and oxygen only. This is all polymers called organic polymer. Such as polyethylene, polypropylene, cellulose, proteins, etc. Protein is a polymer which made from amino acids. So proteins monomer is amino acids, which totally 100% organic. Next, inorganic polymer. So what is inorganic polymer? Inorganic polymer doesn't contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. This is contain some metal like silicon, germanium, glass. It's all such as polysilicon, polygermanium. These all are inorganic polymer. Next, homopolymer. What is homopolymer? Those polymer made only one type of monomer. You can see here there are same repeating unit. Here you can see made up same repeating unit. That is homopolymer. Made up same repeating unit. This all polymer made only for one monomer. One monomer step by step added and make a long chain, large macromolecular weight polymer. That is homopolymer. Next, heteropolymer. What is heteropolymer? Heteropolymer made various types of monomer. Heteropolymer included various types of monomer. Whether homopolymer is made only one type of monomer, but heteropolymer made maybe two or more type of monomer. Example, styrene acrylonitrile. There are two basic monomer, one styrene and other acrylonitrile, combined together and make a large polymer, that is called heteropolymer. So in this polymer various types of properties are there. Styrene property and acrylonitrile's property, two property combined together and make a long polymer chain, which is called heteropolymer. Others are acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene. There are three monomer contains in one polymer chain. Yes, there are three monomer contains to make a large one polymer chain, that is acrylonitrile, second butadiene, and third is styrene. Styrene, butadiene, rubber and acrylonitrile, three monomer combined together and make acrylonitrile, butadiene. Styrene is a very good polymer, that is a heteropolymer. Now here you can see here a heteropolymer made up different repeating unit or copolymer. Heteropolymer also called copolymer. Copolymer are various types of copolymer are there. They are random copolymer, graft copolymer, alternate copolymer. Various types of copolymer are there. Whose polymer structure is linear. This is all structural polymer. You can see here linear polymer, branched polymer, cross-linked polymer. They are structural basis polymer. geometric shape of this polymer. Name this type of polymer. Those polymer are round type, those polymer are branch type, those polymer are cross-link type. So segment segment different polymer. Those polymer are structure is linear. Those polymer structured is linear. This is obviously called linear polymer. That is polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene. Which polymer chain have branch? This is one main polymer chain, and this is the branch. You can see here, though, that's why it's called branched polymer. This is main polymer chain, and this is all our branch. So this is branched polymer. LDP, polymethyl methacrylate, all are branched polymer. Next, cross-linked polymer. Cross-linked polymer is very important. What is cross-linked polymer? Before knowing cross-linked polymer, we should know about cross-link. What is cross-link? Cross-link means bonding between two polymer chain. This is one polymer chain, this is two polymer chain, this is three polymer chain, this is four polymer chain. There are different polymer chain are there, and between two polymer chain there is bond, create a bond. This is called cross-link. Cross-link enhance the mechanical properties of the polymer, because it increase the mechanical properties, it increase the rigidity, it increase the Tg, it increase the melting point, and all, and etc. So this is called cross-link. Example: styrene butadiene block copolymer, polyisoprene, ethylene propylene rubber, all are cross-link polymer. Today we have discussed about types of polymer. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos, and share all of your friends. Thank you so much.